ladies and gentlemen, can I have your attention? Ladies and gentlemen, just to advise all of our guests, for people that are still having trouble getting to their staterooms at this time, our elevators have gone into emergency stop mode. If you can make it to perhaps one of the seated areas in a lounge, or perhaps one of the areas there, if you want to take a seat there, obviously I know some people need the elevators, but it might be the best option at this time because the elevators have already gone into emergency stop mode. Obviously we are on a list. Please take extra care, ladies and gentlemen. Anybody that can assist anybody in a seat, please help these people out at this time. But once again, our elevators are in fact in emergency stop mode at this time until the ship is able to arrive in the center. Thank you.
One by one, one by one. I hold you at the back. I hold you at the back.
Ladies and gentlemen, you attention please, as we are all aware that our weather is not cooperating. At this time, ladies and gentlemen, we advise all guests for their own safety, please to return to their staterooms at this time, ladies and gentlemen. There is no real cause for alarm, ladies and gentlemen. It is just the fact that obviously with the ship moving, some loose fixtures or fittings could obviously hurt people, so the safest place to be at this time, ladies and gentlemen, is in your stateroom. There will be updates through the staterooms on the PA announce system, and that will be coming from the captain shortly. But at this time we ask all guests, I repeat, all guests, to return to their staterooms for their own safety at this time. Please do not linger. Please make your way to the staterooms at this time as soon as possible. We appreciate your understanding. More announcements will be made. Please stay in your stateroom until you hear further announcements from the master. Thank you.